what happens when you screw up your ceramic coating. What I've done is I've put 4 different lines of graphene ceramic coating that I'm not gonna wipe off for an extended period of time. On this first section, I'm waiting an hour. Within that hour, I could use a plush towel to do a final wipe and remove the high spots of the coating. This we're gonna leave on for 2 hours. I'm gonna take coating, and I'm trying to rehydrate this high spot. We go and we wipe this away. Wow, it worked perfect. This one we're gonna leave on for 4 hours. Then you wanna use the minor or least aggressive abrasive and polish. And we're gonna put just a little bit on here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the polish on here, and I'm just using the weight of my hand, and perfect. Because I used a minor abrasive, I'm going to reapply some more of the coating. Then this one, we're gonna leave overnight. I can see pretty clearly a spot down here and then like lines going up. I'm just gonna put a few little dots on here. All right, that worked perfect. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that it can help in making your ceramic coating perfect.